put it together with the gold, and it actually looks beautiful. So it's like all these broken pieces are put back together but sealed with gold, and it actually looks even more beautiful and unique. And I think sometimes through our mistakes and through our failures and those things that we're learning actually create so much more beauty and depth. There have been so many things in my story that in my past that have not been perfect, have not been great, but you know what? It's really woven into this beautiful story that God's been writing.